This is Kirti Madam. Today I came with a new topic of chapter 1 in 6th class, that is knowing of numbers. Okay. Up to now we have discussed about some terms, some terminology in mathematics which is helpful for the academic standard. So now I would like to go into the topic briefly. We have to start the lessons, and so I am going to start the new topic of 6th class. The first chapter is knowing of numbers. Okay. In knowing of numbers, the topics to be discussed are, first topic is what is a number. Okay, fine. In knowing of numbers, what we have to learn in this chapter is some topics we have to learn about numbers. We have to know about numbers. What is a number? How we can use that numbers? How that numbers are useful in our daily life? And how this chapter is useful to us? So everything we can get into the topics. So what are the topics we can deal with in knowing of numbers? The topics to be discussed are, here see everyone. Knowing of numbers lo manam discuss chese topics entante, first is what is a number. Asalu number ante enti, manaki number ela useful avutadi. Second topic is how to compare numbers. How we will compare numbers? How manam two numbers ni mana ela compare chestam? This number is big, this number is small ani ela cheppagalugutam? Everything we can learn in the how we can compare numbers. And the second one is, third one is, greater than or less than. Which number is greater? This number is bigger, this number is smaller. How we can say that all we can learn in this third topic. And what is the fourth topic? Fourth topic is regarding the place value. How we can find the place value of a number. Everything we can see in this fourth topic. So first while going to the chapter, we have to discuss what are the points to be discussed in the chapter. So these are the four topics to be discussed in this chapter 1, knowing of numbers. Children have to take a new book, and like this you have to write the chapter name, the chapter name and topics to be discussed in the first column. Okay. So every day I will come and discuss the topics given in the points to be discussed. Topics wise the topics are discussed and explained to you, and every topic you have to write the notes as I have written on the board. Okay. Now from the chapter 1 of knowing of our numbers, what is our first topic? Our first topic is what is a number? What is a number? When somebody came and asked you what is a number, what answer you should give? What is a number? As we have discussed in the previous classes, some terminology we will discuss chesam kada, like what is a constant, what is a term, what is a variable, etc. etc. We have go through some terms. Okay. So from that also we can derive the definition of the number. What is a number? Number is nothing but a constant value. Number ante enti? Oka constant value which we can use to quantify the thing. How we can use the number? What is a number? Number is nothing but we can use to quantify the thing. Quantify term is very important. Quantify the thing. Quantify the things or objects, whatever it may be. Okay. So what is a number? Number is nothing but to quantify a thing. Suppose here see, there are 2 trees. How many are there? There are, here suppose if you call a boy and if we ask here, how many trees you can see here? If suppose I ask a boy and if he came here and if we tell that how many trees, he will say here 2 trees are there. How many trees? 2 trees are there. How he Tree is an object. So we are counting the tree. 1 and 2. How we are quantifying? Because by using numbers only we can quantify the things. So what is a number? Number is nothing but which is used to quantify the things or objects. So everaina what is number, what are numbers అని అడిగినప్పుడు numbers are constants that we have learned from the previous terminology, and numbers is nothing but which we can use to quantify the things. Okay, so from this example we can say, how we can see here, suppose here one big tree, one small tree and one big tree is there. Okay, this one is big tree and this is a small tree. So when we see that, when we ask a question from that, how many trees are there? How many trees are there? 2 trees. Okay, just forget about the size. Okay, big or small forget cheyandi. How many trees are there? 2 trees are there. 1 tree and 2 trees. Okay, so we are counting the quantity. Okay, so and one more question, when we ask for how many small trees are there, how many we can show here? Only 1. Here one is small tree and one is big tree. So using numbers only, using the numbers we can quantify the things, we can differentiate the objects. Okay, మనం ఇక్కడ objects ని differentiate చేస్తున్నామా? ఒక చిన్న ట్రీ, ఒక పెద్ద ట్రీ అని differentiate చేస్తున్నామా? Otherwise మనకి numbers లేకపోతే how we can say? We can't say. So numbers are nothing but which we can use to quantify the things or the objects. Okay, understood children? Next, so from the topic what we have understood, what is a number, number enti, aa numbers enduku upyogistam. Okay, so there are so many types of numbers, చాలా రకరకాల numbers we can see, like decimal numbers you can see, next natural numbers, negative numbers, everything you can see. So here are the some of the types I want to discuss you with. Okay, so what are the types of numbers? There are natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers and irrational numbers. Okay, so what is natural number? Natural numbers means what? The numbers which starts from 1. The numbers which starts from 1, 2, 3 and so on is called as a natural numbers. Okay, so what is a whole number? Whole numbers means what? The number which starts from, which includes 0. ఇక్కడ natural numbers లో 0 ఉండదు. Natural numbers means only starts from 1. Okay, so whole numbers means the numbers which include 0 also. 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Okay, so natural numbers means starts from 1 and infinite numbers are there. Whole numbers means which includes 0 untadi whole numbers, so it is called as a whole number. Next, integers means it includes both positive and negative numbers, like see minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on, which includes both positive and negative numbers, is called as an integers. Okay children, then what is rational and irrational numbers you can study when you go through high school. For 6th and 7th standard, these rational and irrational numbers is not required. So if I tell you now also you are not able to understand now, so up to now you can classify the numbers into these categories. So many are there, but that are not required for you. This concept is enough for you, and you can see the differences between these numbers: natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers and irrational numbers. Okay, so from this what we can see, rational numbers and whole numbers are different. 1 to infinite, and whole numbers include 0 also. In natural numbers 0 is not there, but in whole numbers it includes 0 also. Okay? Okay children, these are the types of numbers which we are classified into, and for every numbers we will go through for the next classes. ఇంకా మీరు హై స్కూల్కి వెళ్ళేటప్పుడు ప్రతి నెంబర్ గురించి డీటెయిల్ కాన్సెప్ట్ లో యూ కెన్ అండర్స్టాండ్. అప్ టు నౌ దిస్ క్లాసిఫికేషన్ is enough for you in this standard. Okay?